Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your POF or your Plenty of Fish account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your POF or your Plenty of Fish account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in pof.com like this and hit enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Plenty of Fish, and from where you can log into your Plenty of Fish account. Now to sign into your POF account, you can see the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on sign in, and after you have landed on the login page, or which is this page on the display currently, you'll be required to enter your username or your email over here, and after that enter your password over here. My computer has also filled my username and my password over here, and let's click on login. And there guys, we have successfully signed into our POF or our Plenty of Fish account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.